What am I going to talk about next time? Well, maybe we'll talk about what is in this Ziploc bag that looks like water. Ha ha ha. Yes, let's just see what happens to this, shall we? After we put it in the freezer. That's what I said.
Double zip.
Hello, Mother! It's your son, Joe!
Hi, Joe.
Hey, what are you doing? I thought you were going to help me with my back. Remember? I hurt my back.
I am. I'm getting another Ziploc bag.
Yeah?
Because I filled the other one too full.
Filled what up too full? I heard you made something for me and it's in the freezer. I wanted an ice pack and you came up with this idea. What is it you found on the internet? What did you find?
I found how you make an ice bag. You put in rubbing alcohol in a plastic bag.
Really?
And then you put in 3 parts water.
Uh-huh.
And then you put it in the freezer and freeze it.
Okay, so you got some rubbing alcohol before. Where was that? You said you found it somewhere and you weren't sure. Oh, okay. I thought it was up there, but it's not. Okay.
I put it down here.
Oh, in the, yes. The trash compactor drawer that messed up my back.
Yes.
Bad.
Don't make it get off kilter.
Oh, okay. Here it is. Rubbing alcohol. Okay, she took rubbing alcohol and 1 part to 3, and she's not gotten it out of the freezer yet. We're gonna see if it worked. We're gonna see, because it's supposed to still be like gel. Huh? Oh, this one, Mother, this was the one I thought it was. That was just water that you took out of the freezer to make room for this one.
Yes.
So this is what I'm supposed to put on my back.
Yes, and it's supposed to be pliable.
It looks kind of big. Oh, I see. You were gonna.
Oh, look.
Oh, nice.
How is that?
It leaked a little.
Oh, that's okay.
I had it on this, so.
I see. It is kind of like gel, isn't it?
How many parts water, Bubba?
3 parts water.
Three parts to 1.
I'm gonna make one for me.
Yeah, whatever you use, you do it and measure it out properly. Now she's going to take this and she's going to put it in another Ziploc bag. So you're going to take another big one?
Because it seems like this is so full.
Well, that's kind of a lot for me to put on my back at any one time anyways, but I could see like half of that. What about if you put half of this in a smaller Ziploc bag?
Look at
I don't know, like
half gallon or
A quart.
like a quart one. What's that one?
That's a gallon size.
Okay, this is a gallon size. Yes.
I have a quart one here.
Grab me a quart one, because see, maybe you can use 2 different quart ones, or we can use this one here for one of them, right?
Yeah.
And then you can have some small little bags too. Wow, this is pretty cool. Anybody can do this, it looks like. Yeah, see, it's kind of iced up, but it's not going to freeze all the way.
So it's not hard. So when you put it on your sore back,
Hello there.
it'll kind of fit around it.
Yeah.
Does it smell like alcohol, Bubba? Can I take a smell?
I don't know.
No?
It smells like vodka.
Ooh.
Vodka.
Vodka.
You would know what that is, Barbara, but that smells like vodka. But that's okay though, because it's going to be sealed.
Yeah. That's going to be your bag. That's going to be my bag. I can stick on my back, or anybody can use. You don't have to go buy one from the store anymore. Rubbing alcohol and 3 parts of water. Okay. Yeah, there you go.
Get the air out.
Girl.
I would still put that in another bag.
I'm liking
Just in
that.
case.
Wait, so then the idea maybe, remember Auntie was saying maybe put this in another Ziploc bag
Yeah,
in case this one leaks, right?
Let's put it in this bigger one.
So then what would you do? Would you put it in the very same way, or would you put it with it facing down the other way? Okay, I guess you can do it that way. And then close that, and then I can use that as my ice pack.
Yep.
Pretty cool, Mother. I'm liking that.
That's pretty neat, Bubba.
And see this one here? Look at all of this you still got left. You could make, wow, you could make probably 2 more ice packs with that. How much of this stuff did you make? My word.
Well, I didn't know how much it was gonna make, and it made too much for this bag.
Okay, and you put it in the freezer, and I guess just leave it for a day or
I put it
so?
on this tray, and it's a good thing I did, because see, it leaked.
Yeah, okay. Now how come that's not pliable? That's like,
Maybe that came from this.
yeah, you know what? I'll bet you it came from that because that seemed to be leaking before. Hey, I was gonna throw this down the sink. Bad, Joe. Here, I'm gonna put that right over here. This is how you water your plants. I'm giving you just a little tip here. See?
Yeah.
You water your plants with ice. Yes. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have fun with that ice pack. Thank you again, Motha, for taking care of me.
You're welcome, son.
You know what? I'm gonna try this right now, as a matter of fact. I'm just gonna put it right back in here. Oh, that feels good. I'm still kind of walking around, dazed and confused. It's only been about maybe 4 days since I've hurt my back. And I'm gonna leave that, I'm gonna leave that right there. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.